Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirkendra. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today we are doing a 10-minute beginning chair yoga practice that introduces you to seated and standing stretches. You can do this practice at home, in your office, or anywhere you have access to a sturdy chair. This is perfect for quick breaks during your day while still getting in some exercise. Let's get started. Sit comfortably in your chair, come towards the edge, and let's do some inhales. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, good. Again, I am a certified yoga teacher. I help women build self-confidence and movement and how to live a healthier lifestyle. Good. Even if it's just a few minutes in a day, it's good to get in those good stretches to benefit the body. Good job. Inhale up. Exhale. Good. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. Place your hands on your thighs. We're going to do some seated cat and cows. So we want to inhale, open up your chest, roll your shoulders back, chin towards the ceiling, and exhale, round your back, chin towards your chest. Good. Inhale up. Open up that chest, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round your back. Good. This loosens up any tension you may be feeling in your shoulders and in your back. This just releases. This is a great release. Good. We'll do two more. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. And come back to center. Very good. Next, we're going to do some spinal twists. I want you to extend out your right leg, flex your right foot, keep your heel on the floor. Let's inhale your arms up. And let's twist to the side. Left arm grabs the back of your chair. Your right arm is on your thigh. Look gently over your left shoulder. And feel that twist all the way up your spine, up into your neck. You may feel a gentle tug in your shoulder as well. Let's take a few deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. Gently unroll your spine. Inhale your arms back up. Good. Bring that right leg in. Extend out your left leg. Flex that foot. Again, keep the ball of your foot on the floor. And let's twist to the other side, to the right. Good. As you twist here, you may notice a stretch in your hamstrings and in your calves as well. This is great for if you've been sitting a long time at work or doing work from home. Let's inhale for two more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Release. Gently inhale your arms up. And again, bring your left leg back. And exhale your arms down. Great job. Let's do some standing poses using our chair. Keep your hands on the chair. We're going to be tapping back with our foot. To bring your leg back and just tap. Again, try to keep your spine. Stand nice and tall here. Shoulders back. Some of the muscle groups we are working are our core, so make sure you keep your core nice and engaged. and also working on the calves, the hamstrings, and also your glutes as well. This simple movement here also can get the blood flowing if you've been sitting for a long time, and also safely raises your heart rate. Continue to breathe. Easy breaths here. Very nice. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Let's take one deep breath in. Exhale out. Wonderful. Using our chair as support, we're going to be doing a modified forward fold. So let's walk back here and gently come forward and come down. Good. Try to keep your spine nice and straight here. And feel that stretch all the way up your spine, through the backs of your legs, hamstrings, and your calves. Also feel a stretch here in your upper back and in your shoulders. Good. Let's take a few deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Also remember to not lock your knees. Keep them slightly bent. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Gently bend your knees. Slowly come up. Walk towards your chair. Let's turn to the side. Keep one hand on the chair. Stretch your feet out, shoulder width apart. Let's inhale your left arm up and stretch over to the side. Good. Hold this for a few breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Come up gently. You may turn your chair around or place your left hand on your hip. And let's inhale our right arm up and over. Very nice. Let's hold for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release. Good. Inhale up and down. Great job. Our final inhale together. Inhale your arms up. Bring your hands together and come down in prayer. Let's bow together. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this beginner chair yoga was eye-opening for you. I hope that you're able to come up with some creative ways to take a break during your day with some seated and standing movements. Make sure to check out some of my resources and videos that I do have on my channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.